Hey everyone, in this video, I'm excited to show you a powerful web application I built called Email Verifier Pro, a tool that can verify both email or single and bulk email addresses using DNS and SMTP protocols. Whether you're an email marketer or what you call this developer or just want to clean up your email list and yeah, you can use this application. This app has you covered. Okay, the front end is let me give it to you. The front end, okay, is built with React and Bootstrap. Now, the developer or what you call this, it has a sleek UI, while the back end is powered by FastAPI. Here it is. Okay, hold on. Let me move this or move this second here. All right, hold on. All right. Okay, I'm just going to. Okay, here's the Fast API, right? And it was if since we're using Fast API, of course, there's a lightning fast performance. Okay, it will going to give us an immediate turnaround or immediate result, right? It checks MX record and stimulates SMTP handshake to determine whether an email is valid, a soft bounce, a hard bounce, and or invalid. Okay, you can check upload or you can upload the CSV file. Let me show that to you. So you can choose this. So we have a test email here. I'll show that to you later on. Now, yeah, you can also export the result. Right down here, it will going to see the result. And yeah, I walk you through all the details, the UI, show you. I'm going to show you the UI, how it works, even pick the code for those of you who wants to build your own. Now, don't forget to like and share, or like, comment, and subscribe for those or for more real-world project or coding projects like this one. Now let's go and demonstrate to you the app. Okay, I have an I have this what you call this email address that I created or that I saw online. I'm going to check if this is a valid email. Okay, you can see it's verifying right now. Right. Okay, it says sign out, so it could be probably the email is available or probably they changed the email address. This is not the right one, this right one, but probably this domain is correct, but the email ID is no longer available. Okay. Now we're going to what I'm going to do here, I'm going to get more email addresses from Apollo.io because Apollo I have here Apollo.io, and usually they're going to tell us if they are verified or not. Okay, as you can see, I have lists here. I have at least 197 probably verified email addresses. As you can see, some of them are no, there's no email there. They have email. Some of them no email. So I'm going to download this. Actually, I already download this file, and as you can see here. Oh no, not there. It's down probably. Yeah, it's already here. Okay. Now I'm going to open that up. Okay, hold on. There you go. Here's the one. Okay. I get this email addresses. Okay. I'm going to get all of it. As you can see, some of them are unavailable. Some of them said verified, right? Apollo says it's already verified. Verified email addresses. Okay. We're going to get these. Okay. Put it in the other sheet. You can see one, two, this one. Okay, going to get more email address. Okay, this one says verified, right? Get this. So how many is that? That's one. It's already 11. Let's do 15. Okay. It says okay, 11, 14, 13. It's probably 13. All right. So I'm going to get two more. Okay. All right. I'm going to save that. I'm going to save this file into a CSV format. Okay, CSV file type. Okay, then close that out. Going to close this out. Close this out. Okay, as you can see, it's in here. Now I'm going to go to my app. Going to click on choose file. There you go. That's test email. Okay, it's already there. Going to verify. This might take a little bit long because we have 15. But I'm going to tweak the file so it's going to make the verifying of emails fast and efficient. But this is already efficient. Okay, it will going to give us the information here, and you can also upload that or export that to CSV file. Okay, and give me 1 second. It will going to load. But while we are waiting, okay, here's the code for the Fast API. Okay, it has pandas, SMTP, DNS resolver. Okay, there are cores, middleware, and this Fast API middleware. And then yeah, typing that list socket, right? There's also the call this. Let me. Okay. And let me check if that's already done. No, not yet. Okay, now it should be, now as you can see, the record says module because we already declared that on top. And okay, all right, so it's all going to tell you if that's an invalid email, going to tell us invalid or timeout or hard bounce, soft bounce. Okay, that's it on the email verifier.js, which is our backend or front end. I'm sorry, it's a front end. Going to declare the bootstrap here and localhost. Okay, let's see, none because this one is not yet available online. And but I'm going to launch it online once it's done, or once or if some of you wants the website, or if this is really helpful. Yeah, it will. Hold on, that's it's already here. Okay, well the email address has been done. Okay, and as you can see here, hard bounds, invalid or valid. See some of the email address that was provided by Apollo. I'm not saying that they're they're not good, right? But some of them really are not tested. Okay, and some of them are timed out, some of them are valid, timed out, hard bounds, timed out. It doesn't say any soft bounds in here. It says invalid format because the email address is there. Okay, and then you can upload this. You can export this to a CSV file, right? or where do you want to put that on your computer, right? So like I said, if you like the video, if you like the project, like I said, you can just like, comment, right? Or subscribe to my channel. But if you really like the video or really like the program, just let me know, okay? So we can, or if you want to upgrade some of the feature of this project, yeah, just let me know. Just click the, put a comment down below or send me an email. Okay, see you on the next video.